Hello, myself Sunil Rampejan. Here basically we are discussing the city creation topic. In this, basically one of the person told that basically the Microsoft basically was not able to keep himself peace basically in peace mode basically. So he was done. He basically actually done the Godhra Kand basically because he was knowing that basically this plane crash basically which is happening basically it was basically done by the Asian group basically, and Himalaya basically where is basically it is India basically. So India is doing this plane crash basically. The plane basically which was going to crash in the Himalaya Mount Everest basically that was done by that was done by sorry that where basically that plane basically got crashed. That basically plane crashed on World Trade Center basically, and in that basically they killed the Laden also basically. Lots of people says that Laden जैसा कोई है ही नहीं था ही नहीं basically, but literally basically the American created the story, and like this basically they they created the story, and like this basically lots of things basically they done basically they killed they finished the lots of uh, countries also basically. Like this also basically people say whether it is correct or not basically they understand. So one of the person told that basically this everything basically was ongoing basically in the custody in the nigrani of basically in front of the American government also. So one of the person told that basically who was actually ruling that time basically. Then he told that that was actually George Bush basically, and before that basically that was Bill Clinton basically. He was actually from Uttar Pradesh basically. Lots of people says whether it is so. One of the person told that is in Everest, Mount Everest, and Himalaya basically, which is where the plane basically are getting killed, where the USA people are basically getting killed. In that basically Uttar Pradesh are also involved because he was from Uttar Pradesh basically, and Uttar Pradesh basically people everybody knows basically where basically the Ayodhya Ram Janmabhoomi is basically currently. So one of the person told that yeah basically Ram Janmabhoomi, and in that basically this type of activity is happening basically. Then he told that one of the person told that I think basically you might be in wrong mistake here basically. That person basically might not be knowing anything basically. That means one of the person told that this type of activity basically who are doing basically they might be totally different people only basically. They might be totally different people basically. Then he told that it might be some one group basically. So in next video basically we are going to talk about that one group basically.